Hello everybody, welcome to this brand new video. In this video I'm going to share with you guys my two free music production software whereby you can use on PC if you don't have Mac in order to use GarageBand. So do not stop to pursue your passion do not stop to pursue your passion. If your passion is music, don't stop because you don't have Mac computer whereby you can use GarageBand. So this other two software I'm going to share is absolutely almost free. One is like free, but another one is not free. But don't worry, you can still use it like GarageBand on Mac. So follow along with me. As you can see, I will start with one. I have here Ripple. Don't worry, I will put the description below. This is Ripple. As you can see, there's a lot of Ripple digital audio workstation, and follow me here. You get the download. There's a download Ripple and it's for free. So don't worry, this one is also an amazing music and production software that you can use instead of GarageBand on Mac, and this one is on Windows. Ripple is a complete digital audio production, same like GarageBand. See, you have everything. You can download it and it's for free. So this is the first one. Ripple is for free, so I'm not going to download it. I'm just going to show you guys. You can just click here, download. I've already downloaded on my computer. It's very simple. You click download, next. It's just like a normal software, so you don't have to go and look for another video before you download Ripple. And then the next one is, so this is Ripple. This is all about it. It's an amazing software. Trust me, check it out. You're gonna love this software to use for your music production, just same like GarageBand on Mac. So the next one is Pro Tools. Pro Tools is really free, so they say get it now for free. So this is Pro Tools. Yeah, turn idea into music. It is also a great music instrument, also a great software for music production. Get the same tools the pro use, collaborate with others, take your music further. So yeah, there's a lot of things you can learn from this. I just started to study this one just about a few days ago. So you got a lot to take from this one. So go check this one out. These are the two free alternative software you can use instead of GarageBand on Mac. So do not stop to pursue your passion because you don't have a Mac computer to use GarageBand. So go check out this one, and everything here is for free. Free tools. You have unlimited. Let me check unlimited. Ultimate. Let me check ultimate. Sorry. Ultimate. Yeah, this one ultimate you have to buy, but you can get Pro Tools first. Get music with up to 16 audio track with the free Pro Tools, so you can use a free Pro Tools. But if you want to go to ultimate, then you have to buy. So start with this one first. Pro Tools has an option for everyone, so my advice is go this one, get started this one, get the detail. I'm not going to click the detail, so I just say let me share with you guys. So these are my two alternative free software for music that you can use on Windows. Thank you guys. Go and share this video. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed for more inspiration video every week. Until then, see you guys.